really quick, I just thought I'd show you just a little fun little hack, I guess you can call it, a little accessory hack that you can do with your hair accessories, and you can actually wear them as a neck accessory as well. So I have this little scarf on, and it's actually a hair tie, so like a little ribbon for your hair. So you just tie it, so this is it. And you can see it's a hair tie because of the elastic. And then it has the two little hanging pieces of fabric. So it's really meant for your hair. And you can absolutely wear it around a bun. You can do like a low ponytail and kind of have these draped down. You can get these anywhere, and they usually come more than one in a pack. So it's like usually 3 in a pack, or 4 in a pack even, and they're just a lot of fun. So you can actually wear this as a scarf. You're gonna take it, and you're just going to tie it once, as if it were just a regular necktie or scarf. Turn it, and then you can just tuck in where the elastic band is and just tuck it in the back. Voila, you have a neck scarf. So if it's one of those days where you may not be in the mood to really dress up or wear something really nice, and you know your hair is up in a bun, you don't feel like doing the hair, minimal makeup, don't feel like wearing makeup, a scarf can be just a great little added accessory. It'll boost up everything, it'll make everything look more chic and refined and a little bit more done up and fun, and it'll just add that little bit extra something to your wardrobe. Without having to put in a ton of effort. And it just adds so much, it boosts up the look of anything. You can make something bland look really, really cute. You could even be in sweatpants or just like basic slacks and a basic t-shirt. So that is just a little tip. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys soon.